Such a good little crawler. Oh, so perfect. So
Kylie.
What are you guys doing to me? What are you guys doing to me?
Look at the ladybug.
What are you guys
Look at the ladybug.
what's going on?
Come get the ladybug.
Yeah.
Beautiful job.
Look at the ladybug.
She's doing a pretty good job. Look how cool did she is.
Come get the ladybug.
She doesn't like it.
You're almost there. You're not there yet. Not there yet.
Sweet.
Okay, there's the ladybug.
Come on, to mommy.
All right.
To mommy, daddy. Come on, mama. Come get Miss Ladybug. We love her so much.
She keeps putting her knees on the thing. Here, how about we just take it off?
We're gonna get you naked. Oh, I love that belly. I know, right? Oh, I love that.
He looks like Carlos.
I love that
Okay,
belly.
go get the ladybug.
You might want to throw me Ellie. She likes Ellie too.
Oh, I love that belly. Come get Miss Ladybug. Come here. Come here. You're so precious.
Oh, you're so good.
Good girl.
That's my girl.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're so good.
Yay! Bravo!
That's so good. Daddy didn't tuck your diaper in. Daddy, my underwear is shot. You want to go back to Daddy?
Look how flexible. Oh,
I know, it's crazy, right?
God. Oh,
She can do
you wish
toes.
you had that?
She can do toes to the nose. We can do toes to the nose. We'll do toes to the nose.
Oh my, look at that. You don't think she's double jointed, do you? Look at that.
No, that's all babies are like
Things are
that.
like that.
Oh,
Sorry, my fault.
I got it on film.
Whoops, I'm sorry.
You gonna come get the ladybug?
look at it. Sunshine. Look at him.
Oi, 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 oh, go get Miss Ladybug.
Oh, so beautiful. Look at it.
She stinking loves that thing. I don't know
Look
why.
at this.
Oh,
It's
I
so
know, but
cute.
there's
Look at the colors.
but we like technology too. When she was trying to learn, she'd get her toes in her hands. It's her look. She's like a little V, and her butt's up in the air. Too cute.
Oh, cute. Just precious.
I know.
Oh,
Oh, lovely.
oh, so beautiful.
We used Ladybug to help her learn how to roll over.
Awesome.
Ladybug. Wow, I can't believe Ladybug's usually moving from one side of the room to the other. Now it's just stationary.
Sweet.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. That belly. Oh, no, no, no.
I'm with you. I want to gnaw all over her.
Oh, look at those gorgeous illustrations. Just beautiful.
Just perfect. Oh, you want her to crawl more?
Oh, look at it.
Go crawl to Uncle Vinny. Go get the ladybug from Uncle Vinny.
Oh, you got it! Yay! You got it! Oh,
And she sits up on her own. Not a lot of babies do that at her age. Oh, doing a good job.
yeah! Ooh, 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 ooh.
Timber.
A little stuck. Can I get a little help?
whoop, whoop.
Look how she sits there. Look at that posture.
You gotta stay out of the Captain Morgan.
There you go, sweetie.
She's gonna be tired tonight.
I'm telling you, or in 5 minutes.
Ooh, look at the camera. What's that noise? What's that noise?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Whoop. You gonna show off your walking? Here.
Oh, from here to here? Okay, you ready? Well, we gotta hide this. Take this later.
Come here, pumpkin.
This was so big.
That's a
Our little angel.